Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Last week I went to Michael's and I promised I'd let you know what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for. I was looking for fragrances, specifically for candles. I ended up picking a vanilla scent. I was looking for fall and autumn kind of scents, but I didn't find any. This one was cinnamon, but it was too expensive. Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogtober. Today's video is a DIY Halloween candle making video. So I have these jars, but they're like these little ceramic planters. Pumpkin. Here I have another one. I got all of these at Goodwill. I think this one was $2. I think this one was $3. And then I have this little mason jar. So it has a pumpkin lid, but I want to put a candle inside this little mason jar. These items were for sale in one of my Halloween shows. They didn't sell, so I want to keep them and repurpose them. This is the kit I got on Amazon. I think it was like $17. I'm going to link it down below. Actually, the kits on Michael's were kind of expensive. I think they were $30. So this includes this little stainless steel, I guess, where you melt the wax, and it has the actual wax pieces. It has the candle wicks, and that's all it has. So all I had to do was buy the fragrance. So I went to Michael's and I bought the fragrance for $6.99. I did look on Amazon. I was looking for like a pumpkin, like more Halloween themed scent, but you had to buy like an 8-pack, and the 8-pack was like $16.99. And I just didn't know, like, I want to try it first and see, if I can actually get the hang of it. And maybe next year I'll invest in more fragrances. So I just ended up getting a vanilla fragrance. So honestly, this doesn't look like a lot. I think I'll have enough to make one candle, but you can also buy the wax melts. Like, I did see that they have the wax available on its own at Michael's, and it's like under $10. So if I need more wax, I can just go to Michael's and buy more wax. So let's get this DIY started. So it has the wicks. There's a bunch of them in there. It has these little stickers, so you stick, this is what you use it to stick the wick with. It comes with the instructions, we need that. And finally, it's just like a little metal spoon. Honestly, you probably don't even need to buy a kit. Like, you probably just need like an aluminum little kettle to melt wax in. And then what else? Oh, so these are to hold the wick up on your little container. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step is to prepare your little jar. You have to put the little sticker and then stick your wick in it. And then you put this little holder to hold the wick in place when you're pouring. Then it said to set up a double boiler, so kind of like how you melt chocolate, but I don't think I did this correctly, so don't follow me. Once the water was boiling, I just put in my little container and poured the wax in, and you just have to keep stirring until all the little chunks get melted and you have a clear wax liquid. So it didn't tell me how much wax this was, but it was enough for my little mason jar. I can't imagine it being more than 10 ounces. So I kept adding more and more wax, and then I just decided to pour the entire little bag in. So again, you just have to stir until the liquid is clear and there's no little wax chunks. And then you just pour it into your container. So I wasn't sure how much fragrance to add. I ended up adding 4 drops while I was mixing the wax, melting it and stirring. And this is what the candle looks like. You're supposed to let it sit overnight. Kind of freaked me out with that yellow color, but in the morning, this is what it looked like. It's a soy wax candle, so it was nice and creamy and white. All you have to do is cut the wick And that's it, you're all done. I love how it turned out. I'll let you guys know how it smells. It actually smells pretty good, but when it burns, I'll let you know how it burns. Thank you guys so much for watching. I loved how my candle turned out, and I'm definitely gonna go buy some more wax. See you guys tomorrow for some more Vlogtober.